We can see that the gold against US dollar yesterday has created a bullish breakout above 2356.22 and it's currently heading to 0.94 resistance level, which is a monthly resistance level, which is a strong resistance that could pose a great obstacle for the price to move even higher above that. We can see in the past the price has respected this resistance as an important one when the price has reached and then retraced back down all the way to 2356.22. The yesterday breakout, which is a bullish breakout, has took the price outside of this range area that has been active from 24th of May, which is almost for 2 weeks. We can see that is a great signal for the gold, and the next target could be very easily reached today, which is the Friday. But we need to pay attention that the Friday is always the time when the traders gets out from their trades at the end of the week to protect their account. So in this case, this is what I'm expecting. There is a possibility for the price to retrace, which means a bounce back down on this price level. But for much more details, we'll see what happens on the lower time frames, which are a 4-hour time frame and which are also 1-hour time frame. All of this has been shared inside the Telegram group. You can see that here. Each day I share the details with the traders inside the Telegram group. What is the 1-hour time frame, what is 4-hour time frame targets, and when the breakout happens, where the price could go in the next step. If you would like to check that, feel free to check the link below in the description so you can see more details what is inside the Telegram group for all the traders who would like to join. Now for the gold, this is all for this day. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.